Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an email in cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, this cPanel email is of course going to be tied to your domain, which you're currently using, and you can connect it to any email client if you wish. But yeah, what we're going to be creating here is an SMTP, or a simple mail transfer protocol, which is very easily done in cPanel, and I'll be using this guide to explain how. So what you need to do first is log into cPanel with either your IP address :2083 as the port, or your domain address /cPanel or :2083 as well. And once you log in, go to your email section, go into email accounts, click the create button, and then you're going to need to enter the username and password and select the domain where you want your email to be located or connected to. And once you create your email account and click create, once you've entered all the information, it will appear here in the accounts list. Then locate that account and click on the connect devices and select the mail client manual settings. If you want to use another mail client such as Outlook, you can just enter all the needed information from here, and that is pretty much it. Now, once you've created your email account, you can test it out through webmail. I'm pretty sure your domain address /webmail could work. However, you can also use your domain address or your server IP address and then enter :2096, which I'm pretty sure is the port for webmail. If it's not, you can look it up online, but I'm pretty sure it's 2096. And once you're there, just log in with your username and password, which you've created for that email account. And if it works, that's pretty much all you need to do. And yeah, that's all there is to it. That's as easy as creating an email gets through cPanel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.